Good morning everybody and welcome back to Cornwall. Today I'm working my monthly shift in the little craft store that Johnny and I sell in, and I thought you guys might like to come along for the ride. So Johnny dropped me off really early this morning before work, so I thought I'd take you for a little wander around town and take you down to the beach and let's have a little nosy of Looe before it gets really busy. So this monthly shift working in the shop, it's kind of part of our rent, and because I've worked in retail a bunch over the years, I really enjoy it. So Looe is on the south coast of Cornwall and it's an old fishing town, and being August, it's now the height of tourist season. So if Johnny and I need to pop into town to do any shopping or anything like that during silly season, we always get down here really early because that guarantees that we get a parking space and there's no crowds, just delivery drivers and dog walkers. And depending on the tides, you'll often see fishermen bringing in their pots, and the ferry boats getting ready to take people across the river from East Looe to West Looe and vice versa. Being an early bird myself and loving early mornings, I always think it's really interesting to see a place like before it wakes up, just to see all the people that kind of scurry around and get the place ready for everybody else and open up the shops and deliver all the stuff. It's a lovely time of day down here. Good morning. So first things first, I need to set up the shop. So let me give you a quick whiz round and you can see what we're actually working with here. Actually, let's start outside. So these are our two shops. Oso Eco's been here for a couple of years now, and Seashore Crafts is new this year. This is the side that I'm in, but when I share on social, I just call it Oso Eco because that's the Facebook page and it's just easier. So this is our window display. And then the owner also has this beautiful shop. So on the days that I work, I'm covering both. The stuff in here either falls into the fair trade category or the kind of eco-friendly category. There's lots of cool stuff in here. And then this is our side. So as you walk in, ta-da, there's the Looe, Johnny's spoons, and there's some more leather at the bottom. I'm bored of this setup. I'm going to be changing all of this around today. I've bought these fun pieces of bark. Aren't they incredible? Just amazing. So I've put those in to help display Johnny's spoons because right now they're looking really dull. So we're going to rejig all of that. I also need to dust it. But there's lots of beautiful crafts in here. I'm going to give you a proper tour later. Let me get the shop set up, get the lights on, drink some coffee, and then we'll go. Okay, that's this side set up. I have a list to work to, and I think I've done it right. Not entirely sure. I've only actually seen the owner do this once, so kind of winging it. Let me give you a quick walkthrough while there's no punters. Lan makes all of these herself, these coasters. Look at that, so cute. Oh, bless. Nice bamboo cutlery. And these little felt mobiles are just adorable. Oh, you can't really see that in this light, but trust me, they're really cute. Little butterflies, little octopus. Oh, look at the seagull. That's really cute. Now that side's open. Let's work on this side. Just before I put this one in the window, isn't this the most precious thing? This lovely lady, still haven't met her yet. She makes these little fairies and witches and all sorts out of felt and wool. This one's got a piece of selenite crystal. What's that? Oh, it looks like a piece of hematite there, possibly. It's got a little witch's broom. It's got a little spell book. Oh, I love these. I don't think I'm the target market for these, but I just think they're so precious. I love this one too. She's fabulous. Gandalf. And she also does these gorgeous mermaids and jellyfish. Where's a jellyfish? Oh, here's a jellyfish. Anyway, let's get her in the window and hopefully we'll find her a new home today. Okay, I'm all set up. I'm now going to attack my shelves until punters start coming in. It's 9:30 in the morning now, so we only actually officially open at 9:30. I was in early this morning because Johnny dropped me down. But I need to shake all this up because Johnny's shelf is just not looking good. Let's make his stuff shine. I'm also very excited to announce that I finally sold one of the A5 journals. Lan messaged me yesterday saying, please bring another one down because you've just sold one. And it's the first one I've sold. So that's very exciting. I love them. I can't believe they're not flying off the shelf, but there you go. So I'm probably going to take this wallet home and add that to the online shop. I've sold 2 of those since I've been here, but they don't seem to be going brilliantly, so I thought I'd take them home. So we've got some of Johnny's spoons, got that cute little frame with 2 of my keyrings in. These aren't going at all well, which I'm surprised at, but I did make them to be air fresheners, so I need to change up the marketing aspect of that because as they are, they're just not selling. Cable tidies still flying out the shop. There's my 2 journals. In case you were wondering, this is the A5 and this is the pocket field journal, so that kind of gives you an idea of the size. That is how the cable tidies work. They just clip on and hold headphones or phone chargers or whatever in some kind of order. Got a whole shelf of Johnny's spoons, and then we've kind of got this overflow at the bottom here, so not an awful lot going on, but lots more key rings and some coasters. I think I've sold 1 of these since we've been here, so they're not going great. Might take them home as well and put them in the online shop. And another seller whose work I love is Julie from Oopsie-Daisy Crafts. She does some beautiful silver work. Look at this bracelet. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. She uses gemstones and sea glass, or beach diamonds as I like to call it. And do you see this one? This is an old piece of pottery that's presumably been washed up on the beach too. I love it. And that there looks very much to me like a piece of Cornish ware, the blue my striped crockery that I use. I've so got my eye on that. And another brand I wanted to show you were these guys. So all of these bangles are made from washing line, fishing line that gets washed up on beaches. And these people gather up the waste fishing nets and they make these cute bangles from them. Oh, that's like that one that I made the other week at the festival. Very cute. Oh, I like that green one. Isn't this the cutest? I love that so much. Sweet little scrunchies too, cute. Little baby headbands. Cute, cute, cute. So there we are, we're all set up. Just taking a closer look at this bag. It's by Little Ash Designs. It's beautiful. I mean, these are my colours, so I'm loving it anyway. That's the back. A couple of little juicy side pockets there, great for a bottle of water. Sound like I'm doing a sales pitch, doesn't it? Check out this. How adorable is that? And then inside it's got all these pockets. It's beautiful fabric. It's gorgeous. And how the heck does this lady make that for £40? It's blooming gorgeous. What a clever maker. Look at the colour of that handle too. I'm really not in the market for a new bag, but holy moly, I love it. Gorgeous. She's also got this really nice little turquoise like shoulder bag. To be honest, that's probably not big enough for all the tat that I carry around. But again, I love the colours. What a clever lady. All right, we've got a bit of a quiet lull in between punters. So I'm going to have some lunch. So it's not very exciting, and I don't know that it's terribly healthy either, but whatever. I got me them from the shop on the way in. I don't like to eat bread when I come in and do this shift because obviously I'm the only one here, and if I need to pop out the back, if you catch my drift, yeah, bread doesn't always sit that well with me. So I've got that. I've also brought some tuna mayo and some, there were some roast tomatoes, fresh, yummy tomatoes that I'd roasted with some rosemary sea salt and some olive oil yesterday. There was some left over, so I've popped them in with the tuna, and now I have more punters back to work with me. Just been reminded that I got munched in the night. 2 very itchy bites on my neck. Gosh, watching trucks turn around in this little area here. It's always a little bit hairy. The first day I worked in here, a truck reversed into the wall next to this window and smashed his light. I'm just glad he didn't go into the glass. It was kind of horrifying.